So we're starting week 7 at the Glendale Reno here in Guilford, and this is our 4th site visit. And we're gonna start here in the garage of this Glendale, New Hampshire home. And there's been quite a lot of work done in here, and we haven't featured it yet, so we're gonna talk about that this morning. So we've labeled this project the Glendale Reno for a reason, because of Glendale, New Hampshire, which is a really tiny spot on the map, but it's very special to the locals here. If you have a view of Winnipesaukee from Glendale, what are a few of the scenes that you see from this location?
Yeah, so it's a really busy spot. It's where Glendale Marina is, so it's one of the busier places to be on the lake when coming in and out. So we have a lot of boat traffic. There's also a sailing school like 1,000 feet away, so there's lots of boats, sailboats coming in and out. We can watch the Mount Washington boat go by out in the distance every day, twice a day. And there's a really gorgeous view of all this foliage right now across the lake, so the mornings are very beautiful here. We got bald eagle's nest right across a small island from here. So yeah, there's just a continuous amount of airplanes going by all day too, because the Guilford Airport's right down the street. So it's a very busy place. It's a neat place to be, so never bored.
Yeah. The stairwell that you're working on here, what is the plan for that? Like, where does that go?
So the stairway brings you to the gym, which was kind of like the pool room before, the pool table.
Oh, okay.
So after we got the engineer involved, it has box trusses, and it's kind of a little bouncy up there as far as the floor. We were kind of concerned with putting all sorts of weights and gym equipment up there. So after checking that out, we're going to overlay the floor with 3/4 Advantech plywood. We're going to kind of break up the seams, and we're going to glue it down and screw it all over the place. So that should stiffen it up, and it's safe the way it is, but we're just trying to make it a nice flat surface.
So Bill, you had mentioned that you're going to redo the floor of the gym because of all the weight that's going to be up there with this gym equipment. And one of our great Instagram followers allowed us to demo a really cool tool that's going to save a ton of time.
Oh yeah.
Jason, one of our team members, reached out to them, so we just want to give them credit. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, so the product is the Fasten Master, their PAM Fast. So it's gonna have, it's a stand-up gun with coilated screws, so we can just go right along upstairs and just zip down the floor real fast and not have to reload every shot and just keep pumping them out, because we have about 20 sheets, and it's all gonna get glued and laminated down with screwing, so it's gonna save a lot of time.
Awesome. Is Imperial hauling your go-to for trash?
He's great. I mean, I don't give him much notice, and he's very gracious.
All right, 5 stars, Imperial hauling. So Bill, tell us a little bit more about the stairs in the garage here. Like, what was the plan for them? Any troubles you had?
Yeah. As coming through the laundry room and into the garage, there will be a door, but that door is on a landing for the stairway for the gym. We've increased the size of that because the entry area was very tight. It was like a 30-inch door.
30-inch door?
Yep. So we're gonna widen that to more or less like a 45-inch opening, and so you'll be able to round the corner from the stairway into the laundry room without being so cramped in.
Great.
So because of that, we've had to increase the landing size and move the stairs, shifting it over. And we've also added a stair rise to make the stairs a little more comfortable, because they were previously at an 8.5-inch rise, and we're bringing it to about a 7 1/8 rise now. So we've had to increase the size about 3 feet, the landing.
Okay. And you said you were actually bringing it to the proper code for this area.
Yes. Yep.
Great, great. Well, how about we climb that ladder and get upstairs and you show us where the gym will be.
Cool. Yeah, so in the gym here, again, this is the floor that we talked about. We're laying with 3/4. We'll be splicing the seams over and gluing and screwing all over with that Fasten Master Hand Pro. So that'll stiffen this up. So there'll be some equipment up here, treadmill, regular weights and such. So
Great.
so definitely up there. Right now it's just kind of a staging area for tubs. This is the master bathtub, soaking tub. We have some shower pans over there and kitchen sink, and also doubles as my little office.
Explain to me where the old stairs were and where the new stairs are going in this space here.
Yeah, so here's the new header for the top of the stairs. So this is where you'll be entering the gym. And then over there you can see on the wall, those are the old stairs, and the top of the stairs over there. So we have about 3 feet difference that we're coming this direction. So that's what's giving us the room down below to have more space to go from laundry room to the stairwell. And down below here, there's a new header for the laundry room niche. So we're gonna be recessing the washer and dryer into the garage, so she has maximum amount of space in the laundry room. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Get to work. Not be a storytelling. The hanger for a 2x12. I have in my mind right now. I can get the paperwork.